In this video, I'm going to walk you through the basics of repairing a damaged frame on a Toyota Tacoma. Frame damage can affect your truck's safety and performance, so it's important to address it properly. First, inspect the frame carefully for cracks, bends, or rust. Minor surface rust can be treated with sanding and rust-proof paint, but serious cracks or bends usually require professional attention. If the damage is minor, you can clean the area thoroughly, remove any rust, and use an automotive frame straightening kit to gently realign bent sections. Follow the kit instructions closely. For cracks, welding can be a solution, but it must be done by someone experienced to ensure safety and durability. Always check the alignment of the frame after repairs, as it affects your suspension and steering. If the frame damage is severe or you're unsure about the repair, it's best to consult a professional body shop. If this video helped you understand Toyota Tacoma frame repair, please like and subscribe for more hands-on truck maintenance tips. Thanks for watching.